Excuse me, is this the way to the main library?
Oh, yeah, just go straight and take a left. You'll see a big glass building. That's the library.
Thank you. By the way, I'm new here. It's my first day at the university.
Oh, really? Welcome. Are you an exchange student?
Not exactly. I got a scholarship to study here.
That's amazing. What's your name?
I'm Ayan, I'm from Asia.
Nice to meet you, Ayan. I'm Emma. I'm from here, born and raised in England.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Actually, I wanted to talk to students here because I want to improve my English.
That's a great idea. Speaking is the best way to learn. But honestly, your English is already pretty good.
Thanks. But I still make mistakes, and sometimes I feel nervous because my accent is different.
Oh, don't worry about that. Everyone has an accent. Even in the UK, accents vary a lot depending on where people are from.
That's true. But I think speaking daily will help me improve. So, can I talk to you sometimes?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. We can have casual conversations, and if you ever need help with pronunciation or grammar, just ask.
Wow, that would be great. Actually, I record these conversations and upload them to my YouTube channel so others can learn too.
Oh, that's so cool. I love that idea. I'm sure a lot of people will find it useful.
Today is my first day, and I also need to complete my library admission, so we can't have a detailed conversation right now. However, when we meet again, we will talk in depth. I will share my experiences of living in Asia, some personal details, and social questions related to your life in Europe. This discussion will be featured in an upcoming podcast episode. Additionally, many listeners will benefit from it and improve their English. So next time, we will have a more detailed conversation. I also encourage my audience to stay tuned for the next video and subscribe to my channel.
No problem at all, Ayan. Welcome to the university. Let's talk again soon.
I hope so. Thanks for talking to me, Emma. You really helped me feel more confident today.
Great. Have a nice day.